Good afternoon everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we have here the servo motor. The model of this unit is, the brand is Danker Motoren. Okay, Bondorf, Germany. So this is the model and the serial number and all the details. So basically this is a 24 volt DC servo motor. So this servo motor, it has three sections. The first section is the planetary gears. Okay, so this is where the torque conversion happen, and in the middle section is the motor, the DC motor, and the last section is the encoder. So encoder, motor, and the planetary motor, the planetary gear. So we have marked here. So this is 1, 2, and 3. Okay, and also here we mark. So take a photo so you know the location when you assemble it, so that easy you will not misguided with the positioning of the screws, the mounting screws, and also the cable. Okay, what we need to do now is we inspect. Okay, so we inspect the tools that we required. We need the Torx. This is Torx 25 and this is Torx 40. So what we need to do now is to open first the gearbox or the planetary gear area. Okay, so using Torx 40, we open this. Okay, first loose all the screws. After loosening all the screws, then you can open it easily. So why we are opening this gearbox motor? Because sometimes loose connection happen inside. Sometimes grease if there is a noise from the planetary, because there is a plastic gearing of planetary gear inside. So after some time, that gear getting worn out, or the plastic gear getting worn out, so either you replace it or repair it. So now we have opened 1, 2, 3, and this is number 4. Okay, so we have removed 4 screws. Now we're going to open it like this. As you see here, it's a bit tight. You need to use a screwdriver to push it out. Okay, so these are the planetary gear, which are all made of plastic. 3 planetary gear. Okay, so inspect if there is a broken tooth. Okay, and also the grease. Okay, so next we're going to open the rear cover, this one. No need to open this, just open this one. Okay, first loosen the screw. Initially it's a bit tight. Okay, once you loosen all the screws with Torx 25, then unscrew it. Make sure to remember all the screws, as sometimes it has a different length. Okay, so we have removed 4 screws, and always remember that there is a marking, the positioning this way. Okay, so Using a screwdriver, just simply push it out like this, and then slide out the cover. There is this rubber seal. Okay, so we just have remove the back cover. As you see, there is no need to remove for this. Okay, so we have to remove the back cover. Now we are going to remove the motor side at the center of the motor. So using Torx 45, we have open like this on both sides. Okay, loosen all the screw, and then you can easily open it. So if you are still watching this part, don't forget to please like and subscribe, so that will be more inspired to create more educational technical videos for you to enjoy and learn. Okay, so one more screw to open. Again, so we have marked it. This is the position. Now, the four screws are open. Just have to slide it out. Okay, so as you see here, this is the tension spring for the bearing to push in position. Okay, this is the connector. Okay, and this one is for the brake. And this is where the motor is. See, there are many diodes and transistor to control the it's like an inverter built in inside. Now we open the front side. Lose all the other screws, 4 screws. And then remove the screws. Again, if you're still watching, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Our objective is to share the knowledge so others can be guided. For us, it takes years to gain the experience, but by watching the video, this type of video, in few minutes you will learn the knowledge that we video creator takes years to gain experience. Okay, so we have removed the screw for the front motor. Now I'll just show you what is inside the motor inside. Okay, so there is the winding, the coil, and there is a permanent magnet here for the armature. So the armature has permanent magnet, and there is this coil, the DC coil. Okay, so this is what inside the motor. Okay, so there you go. Now you see how it is being dismantled. This is the controller, the speed controller. Okay, and this is brake, clutch brake. So it is connected here. This is only the cover. This is for the gearbox, planetary gear. Okay, so I hope you like the video. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Okay, so thank you for watching. God bless everyone, and stay safe. Thank you for watching. This is how to dismantle the servo motor or stepper motor. Thank you. Bye.